Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled 22-year-old Gets Karma After Causing Chaos at Bar.
On July 9th, 2025, officers responded to a bar for a call of a battery.
She's about to go to jail, so don't listen. Give me your ID, you're going to go to jail. Give me your ID. Give me your ID, you're going to go to jail. Back off the phone.
I'm sorry, but you need to get off my phone.
Let go.
You need to get off my phone.
Stop.
You need to get off
Hands
my
on your
phone.
back.
You need
You're being detained so I can ID you. Stop. Don't do this. Stop.
You seriously are not allowed to detain me.
Absolutely. You're not listening.
You're not allowed to detain me.
You're not going to go to jail for resisting in a second, so listen.
So please get off me. Please get off me. No, seriously, please get off me.
Once I ID you, I'll let
Please
you go.
get off
Right now
me.
you're being detained.
I have my ID.
Hey, you're not
I have
listening.
my ID. I have my ID. I have my ID.
You missed the opportunity.
Please get my ID.
Will you let go of the handcuff,
I already said I have my ID.
Let go of the handcuff. Let go.
Please let go of my ID.
Let go.
Don't you do that.
me.
Not happening.
Now you're under arrest. Now you're there,
Please
buddy.
let go of my ID. Who are you? I have my ID.
Police officers, which was announced to you by my partner here.
I have my ID.
I want to find it.
Okay, I have my ID.
Wait. Sit down.
I have
Sit
my
down.
ID.
Sit down. You need to listen now and act like an adult. Sit down.
Officer, I have my ID. I have
Sit
my
down.
ID.
You're detained right now. Listen to what I'm telling you. Sit down. So
I
you don't go to
have
jail.
my ID.
Sit down.
I have my ID.
Sit down.
Why she
I
keep
have
saying
my
that?
ID.
We are investigating a battery, and you're the offender. That's what we're
I
being
did
told.
not battery
Sit down.
anyone. Look at my ID.
Sit down.
I have my ID.
Sit like he's asking you
Do
to.
not.
Sit down. You don't
I
have to
don't
call
mind
the Sit.
sitting down,
Hey,
but
sit.
do
You're in
not
handcuffs.
arrest me.
You're about to
Put
go
me
if you
in
don't listen.
handcuffs.
Sit down.
If you have my
Hey, you tried
ID.
to bite my partner. Sit down before you go to
Because
jail.
you tried
Sit
to
down now.
detain me. You
I'm not-
tried to.
I'm not trying to detain you. You are detained.
What are you doing? I have my ID.
This is a lesson. You
Off me. I have my ID.
have to listen.
Is your first name Sophia?
Yes.
Okay, Sophia. Here's the deal. We came in here to investigate a battery. Okay, we asked for your ID.
So why am I the only one who's investigated? If there's
talking.
100% in
You're
here.
not giving us an opportunity to do that. You're resisting us.
No, I didn't. I just said you shouldn't arrest me when there's 100% in here. I will sue.
Okay, that's fine.
How do you pronounce your name?
Adultery.
A-L-T-R-E-Y.
The guy you tried to bite? The police officer.
I did not bite you. You have a camera.
There's a D there.
You have a camera. I did not try to bite you. So why are you handcuffing me?
Trying to bite you?
Okay. I tried to. You say that in court. You say that in court.
I'll take
You
it.
say that in court. T-R-E. How do you pronounce?
Right there.
T-L-R-E-Y.
Get all
How
the
do you
letters.
pronounce it? That's how you spell it.
You ready to listen to what's going on or not?
You said
No.
someone called you?
Yes.
Where's the camera? Okay, so you said someone called you.
Yes.
Who?
The establishment.
Who's the establishment? What's the
What
name?
bar are you in right now?
Naperville.
What bar are you in?
What do you mean?
What bar is this?
What do you mean?
The establishment. The bar that you're in.
This is Banter. B-A-N-T-E-R.
So they have
L-A-N-T-E-R.
30 staff here and a bartender here. So you fight the woman
I did
outside.
not fight a woman.
They also said that you took her stuff, which was
I did
on
not.
you when we came in made
I did
contact
not.
with you. You did. We took the phone.
I did
It's
not.
not yours in a wallet. It's not yours.
That's why I'm mad,
They were
because I
in
did
your
not.
hands. They were in your hands when I came in contact.
No, I did not.
And then you're not listening when we're asking to give you your ID. You're being detained.
No, I gave you my ID. That's why you have
did not.
it.
You did
That's
not.
why you have it.
You did not. We had to
That's why
take it
you
out of your
have.
purse
No,
because-
I asked you to not detain me because I would give you the ID that's in my bag.
Phones in our faces now.
No, I asked you
Okay, you were given
to
multiple.
not.
This gotta be a joke, man. Is this a joke? She is so detached from reality. She is in another dimension somewhere. This has to be a joke. This reminds me of like maybe one of those kids that's like they're probably really smart, like book smart, but like have no like street smarts. You know what I'm saying? Like you're book smart. Like if you give somebody, you know, hey, read this book and write a book report on it, I mean, they might pass with flying colors, man. But if you tell them, hey, you know, something on the street, you know, just anything, you know what I mean? Like how to defend yourself on the street or something, you know, it's like nothing. Maybe have book smarts, but have no street smarts. That's why you're going to these bars and whatever, and hooting and hollering or whatever, and you think you're all that. You think your shit don't stink. You want to pick fights and do this and do that or whatever. Probably get great grades. You know what I'm saying? Probably straight A's, maybe some B's, you know. But man, you put them in a social environment with like in the real world, they are going to fail. Okay, F.
Not detain me because I would give you the ID. Mr. SLGIE.
Don't talk to them. Call your lawyer.
You're fine.
Call your lawyer.
Keep going.
Call your lawyer right now. Call your dad and call your lawyer.
Mr.
Call your lawyer.
You're not part of this. Go.
Is that his name? How do you pronounce your name?
Officer Seelig.
Who the hell is that?
And how do you pronounce your name?
Hope he wasn't interfering.
The phone that you
Might have to get him too. Might have to get him together.
Right now is my name.
We know
Put it in
that.
your car.
Hey, stop yelling because you don't call the shots. You're about to go to jail in about 3 seconds if you
I'm
don't shut your
sorry,
mouth.
but I understand the law, and I know that
Apparently you
your car has information
Get
about
moving.
my name. Put it in your car. Whose phone is that? Put it in your camera. If you did it,
How old are you?
I will swear to the law that you did not, Mr.
Way too old to be acting like this in the bar. Way too
SELIG
old.
did not put his phone into the camera.
You're handcuffed because you're acting like a child.
No, I'm handcuffed because you two did not know the law and handcuffed someone.
Felt like you're about to say something else.
Who did not commit a crime.
Is it against the
Who
law?
did not
Hang on, let me
commit
ask
a
you question.
crime?
Is it against the law to try to bite an officer?
What?
Yes.
No.
Could you go to jail right now? Yes.
No.
Are we trying to work it out elsewhere? Yes.
No.
So if you want to keep acting like a child and keep talking and running your mouth, we don't know what you're talking about, you go to jail.
I'll leave.
Or if you-
I'll leave this
or
establishment.
the other option is you can sit down and stop talking.
SELIG.
At this point, lucky for you, the woman that you fought with doesn't want to press charges. The bar wants you out of here. You let her in handcuffs, you're going to leave. You come back here, go to jail for trespassing. When you go home, I want you to Google trespass laws. I want you to Google battery. I want you to Google assault. I also want you to Google what detainment is. And then hopefully next time you come out and drink, if you keep touching me like that, you're going to go to jail for battery.
What are you talking
Don't grab
about?
my hand like that.
Oh, wait. Hold on. Did he had to get her together? Hold on.
Google assault. I also want you to Google what detainment is. And then hopefully next time you come out and drink, if you keep touching me like that, you're going to go to jail for battery.
What are you talking
Don't grab
about?
my hand like that.
What are you talking about?
You just squeeze my hand.
I did not squeeze
It's time to
your
act like
hand.
an adult.
I did not squeeze your hand.
Get out of the bar.
Do I have all my ID?
Everything that you came in here with. Leave the bar now. You need to leave this.
Time to go. It's not time to
take this outside. Leave the bar now.
Why are you calling 911?
Because you guys are part
Misuse
of
of 911. You call 911, you go to jail.
Get the fuck out of here. You're lying.
Leave the bar. Now. Leave. You have 3 seconds to start walking.
Leave the bar. They
Leave
are
the bar.
They
You
have
have 3
given you
seconds.
not. So,
Who the hell is this guy?
they have given you multiple warnings. If you don't leave the bar, you will get arrested. Good.
You're not allowed back here ever again.
I'll let you. Yeah. Leave the fucking bar.
Come here.
He doesn't listen. I'm not used to that.
There you go. There you go. Hands on your back.
We told you he's on call. You're under arrest.
Oh, misuse of
I'm
911.
giving you so many chances to act like an adult.
Who the hell is this guy in the white shirt? And why does he spawn everywhere the cops are at? Who is this guy?
There you go. Hands on your back.
We told you he's on call. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
I'm giving you so many chances to act like an adult.
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Do not resist. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Number one, false 911. There's no reason to call 911. There's 4 officers right here. You're going to jail.
What is your issue? You need to act like an adult. Yeah, you don't know how to act like
We
an
told you
adult.
100 times. We even gave you a chance to leave. We could have taken you to jail 20 minutes ago.
Cut the bag. I love when they cut the bag.
For failure to identify, and now you're calling 911 multiple times. We told you not to call 911. It's
No,
false alarm.
I called
It's
an
disorderly
officer.
conduct.
I'm not sure where my friend
You
is.
called an officer asking if we were real. They have a dispatch center right now here.
Okay, so listen.
About time they get them together. Who the hell is that guy?
Sarge, we're gonna cut our purse off. Right, Sarge, we're gonna cut our purse off.
Huh? You
You're gonna cut our purse off.
Just go to jail with that and just watch it.
The woman was charged with trespassing and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today.
Hell nah, you don't have her go to jail like that and just watch it. What the what? Cut it. Have her go back there. What if you didn't do a thorough search and they got something in there? Come on, man. Come on, Sarge. You messed the whole video up at the end, man. Come on, stop that laziness, man. That's plain laziness, and that's what can get people hurt. Instead of that, uncuff her. She's a small girl. Uncuff one hand, get the bag off. If you don't want to cut it, uncuff her, get the bag off, cuff her back up. You don't have her sit back there with the bag. Oh man, that right there just did it. The video was going smooth. It was going smooth. It was all right. You know, it was all right. And then that lazy shit at the end, man. Plain laziness. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.